Hello Ark Tindal, I hope you are all well and are enjoying doing your home learning activities. Today, the focus of this video is how to access the activities on Purple Mash. So the first thing that I need to do is go onto Google and then find the school website. And it pops up, Ark Tindal Primary. Then I need to click the Ark Tindal homepage. What comes up? Welcome page for school. I now need to access virtual school, so I can click here in this space, which takes me straight to the page. The welcome page for virtual school has all the different year groups, and it also has the email addresses of teachers that I need to contact if I'm stuck. So I'm in year 4, so I'm going to click on the year 4 button. I'll wait for the web page to load up. Now, to find the learning that I need to do every week, I go to the section with the title This Week's Learning. Now, you have been set learning by your teachers on all the different subjects. Today, I'm going to be doing my science work. So I'm going to scroll down the web page and find the section called Science. Purple Mash will be used to complete activities for history, geography and science. So the first thing that I need to do in order to complete my science work is read the instructions. So the focus is on sound, and it tells me to watch the TIG-TAG videos first and then complete the activities on Purple Mash. For TIG-TAG to work, I need to click on the link below and then come back to the school website. Okay, so I'm going to watch my videos, and after I have watched my videos, I'm going to complete the activity on Purple Mash. So I'm going to click the button that says Purple Mash. After you have clicked it, wait for the web page to load up. Oh, okay, so it comes up with the web page to log onto Purple Mash. So everybody has been sent their own unique username and password. If you're not sure, please ask your mom or dad. So I'm going to put my username, which is test pupil. It comes up here. Then I'm going to put my password in as well, which is all in lowercase letters. I'm going to check that my username and password are exactly as what is stated on my email. That's right, they're all in lowercase. Then I click login. Now, it's loading up, and I can already see just from clicking the button on the science that it's coming up with the sound quiz. So then I would press play, and then I would look at the activity. So it says which of these statements is true, and then I need to answer the question. After I've done the first question, I would complete next. And then when I've done the activity, I would click done. When I come to the Purple Mash page, I need to see the work because I haven't been able to complete last week's. So I go to do. I click to do, and I can see that I haven't done my Anglo-Saxon work yet. So I'm going to start it. I click it and press start. Now I'm going to complete my activity, and then when I have finished it, I need to go to the corner of the menu, click it, and then press save. Wait for it to save and follow the instructions. Okay, and it should come up as saved as whatever name it is. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed watching the video, and I look forward to seeing what you have done in your home learning. Goodbye.